4 point, the radical right in Italy has had a very successful results for the European elections and for the local election as well, and the balance of force, of strength between the two parties in government, the League and the Movimento 5 Stelle, is currently totally in favor of the League. So we can talk about a right bloc in Italy. Well, the main consequence is for sure in terms of content of policies, since the League is now the prominent party, the main player, and for sure Salvini will implement the agenda, the typical agenda of the party, or better, the agenda of the party. So a stricter position on immigration and security in terms of law and order, and on economics, so far the idea, the agenda is to have a sort of liberalist agenda, and I don't know about the destiny of Movimento 5 Stelle now, so I really don't know if they will remain within the party and subscribing all these policies, or if they, I don't know, I really don't know if the government will not last for the 5 years as it was promised at the beginning. Mm-hmm.